What's up, my name's Technobo here for Troubleshoot, and in this video, we're going to be going through an issue that you may be having on Twitch. So if you're like me, then you're probably participating in the Rust item drops. I myself have been watching a Twitch streamer for multiple hours. I left my PC on overnight, and I still haven't got any drop notifications in my inbox over here. What exactly is going wrong? Well, first of all, before we get to anything else, make sure that your account is properly linked. Head across to whatever game website you need to make sure that your games are properly linked and you followed all of the instructions. For Rust, I simply signed in on twitch.facepunch.com with my Twitch account, and you can see that drops are currently activated. Clicking check for missing drops does absolutely nothing. Don't worry, you're not alone. If you haven't got a notification or you weren't here to see it when you did, all that you have to do is head across to the next link in the description down below, which will take you across to twitch.tv/drops/inventory. When we're here, you'll notice something special. Rust Drops Launch Event. This is the event that I'm currently participating in. As you can see, I have to click Claim Now next to the first item in order to progress to the second item. This is incredibly annoying, but it's something that you have to do. I only realized this now. But anyways, if you're like me, hopefully this video will help you understand exactly why you're not getting Rust drops, or in fact, any other drops for any other games. As for Tarkov and other games, you just randomly got them while watching, but for something like this where you're required to watch certain amounts of hours, you may have to come to this page over here and click Claim next to each item along the way. But anyways, that's about it for this video. Hopefully you found something useful in it. My name's been Technobo here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!